Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. We are thrilled to kick off the unboxing of our 2025 Sallie Tomato & Co. box. This year we've curated the Galactic Glamour theme for our box, which is inspired by the 2025 color of the year, Future Dusk. This box has been designed to be your creative gateway to make stylish everyday projects with a futuristic edge. The deep, moody tones of Future Dusk add a tranquil yet striking touch to your bag-making creations, blending everyday elegance with sleek, tech-inspired design. For the next 14 days, we'll unbox one item each day and share tips and inspiration for you to get the most out of these cosmic-inspired items. So let's dive in to unboxing day one. I'm going to pull day one out of the box and we'll get started. Day one. Today's item lets all in the universe know that your projects are custom made by you. Our friends at Intensely Distracted selected this item for you. Visit them online at intenselydistracted.com. These beautiful sew-in labels from Intensely Distracted kick off the theme of this year's box right away. These fun labels can be used on the exterior or the interior of your creations to add a little bit of starlight to your project. Woven sew-in labels are increasingly popular. These two styles of woven labels are durable and classy. For exterior placement, make sure that you have the label facing the correct direction. We don't want the words facing the wrong way. For interior placement, make sure you attach them prior to the bag or pocket assembly so you can easily access the area you want to sew. Woven labels are a fantastic way to add personality to your handmade projects, and with so many options available at Intensely Distracted, you can find the exact style and vibe to add that personal touch to your project. I hope you loved unboxing today's item of our Galactic Glamour box and are getting some inspiration. If you are interested in snagging next year's box, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter link below so you don't miss out when we send out the release. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using hashtag #SallieTomato and hashtag #SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Stay tuned for day two of unboxing our Galactic Glamour sewing box. Until then, I hope you have a creative day.